Do you want your child to be as safe as possible? Well, we at Safer Seatbelts are here to help. A Safer Seatbelt is an adorable, insulated plush animal that also acts as a safety device by keeping the metal clasp of the seatbelt from becoming too hot in the summer and too cold in the winter. As parents, we want to protect our children from the painful touch of the burning hot metal, which can cause severe burns to your child's skin. And likewise, we want to protect our children from the uncomfortable freezing metal in winter. Safer Seatbelts is your solution to the problem. Children and parents alike will become attached to their new, helpful friend in the car. A Safer Seatbelt works universally on both an infant car seat and on a car seatbelt. In order to attach to a car seatbelt, first open the insulated flap. Place the metal clasp in the pocket of the center of the sea animal. Close the flap over the metal clasp and seal with the Velcro. For attaching to an infant car seat, first open the insulated flap. Then place both metal clasps in the pocket in the center. Hold the two harness straps together. Wrap the flap around the straps and secure with the Velcro. For added protection, you can place the plastic seatbelt connector under the Safer Seatbelt animal. Make sure your Safer Seatbelt friend is attached when leaving the car. Safer Seatbelts, making your child's life safer.